Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Mastering Productivity, Create a Custom System that Works. Lecture 10. In this lecture, we will learn about sustaining productivity and continuous improvement, maintaining productivity habits and routines, managing work-life balance and avoiding burnout, strategies for handling setbacks, and maintaining resilience, seeking feedback and adapting to changing circumstances, cultivating a culture of continuous improvement and growth. Conclusion: maintaining productivity habits and routines. Establishing and maintaining productivity habits and routines is crucial to achieving success in both personal and professional life. By creating a structure for our day-to-day activities, we can maximize our efficiency and accomplish more in less time. To stay focused and on task, it's important to eliminate distractions and create a conducive environment for work. This could include setting up a designated workspace, using productivity tools like timers or task lists, and taking regular breaks to recharge. By prioritizing productivity and committing to a routine, we can achieve our goals and reach our full potential. Managing work-life balance and avoiding burnout. Balancing work and personal life can be a challenge, especially in today's fast-paced world where we are constantly connected. The pressure to always be available and productive can lead to burnout and decreased well-being. To achieve work-life balance and avoid burnout, it's important to set boundaries and prioritize self-care. This can mean scheduling time for hobbies, exercise, or simply relaxing. It's also important to communicate your needs with colleagues and loved ones, and to delegate tasks when possible. Remember that taking care of yourself is not selfish, but rather essential for maintaining productivity and well-being. By prioritizing work-life balance and avoiding burnout, you'll be better equipped to handle the demands of both your personal and professional life. Strategies for handling setbacks and maintaining resilience. Setbacks are an inevitable part of any journey, but it's how we handle them that defines our success. Resilience is key to bouncing back from setbacks and maintaining a positive outlook. When faced with a setback, take a step back and assess the situation. Look for ways to learn from the experience and use it as an opportunity for growth. Remember that setbacks are temporary and that you have the strength and resilience to overcome them. One effective strategy for handling setbacks is to practice self-care. Take time to rest, recharge, and engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends and family who can offer encouragement and perspective. Finally, stay focused on your goals and remind yourself of your purpose and motivation. With persistence and resilience, you can overcome any setback and continue on your journey towards success. Seeking feedback and adapting to changing circumstances. Soliciting feedback is crucial in achieving personal and professional growth. By seeking input from others, we gain new perspectives and insights that can help us improve our performance and make better decisions. It's important to approach feedback with a curious and open-minded attitude, recognizing that there is always room for improvement. Adapting to changing circumstances is also essential for growth and success. The world around us is constantly evolving, and we need to be able to adapt our strategies and approaches accordingly. This requires a willingness to embrace new ideas and ways of doing things, and a commitment to ongoing learning and development. Cultivating a culture of continuous improvement and growth. A growth mindset is the belief that one's abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. When individuals and organizations adopt a growth mindset, they are more likely to take on challenges, persist in the face of setbacks, and ultimately achieve greater success. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Apple are known for their commitment to innovation and continuous improvement. These companies prioritize learning and development, encouraging their employees to take risks and experiment with new ideas. Similarly, individuals like Elon Musk and Oprah Winfrey have achieved great success by embracing a growth mindset and constantly seeking out new opportunities for growth and learning. Conclusion? In conclusion, maintaining productivity habits and routines is crucial for achieving success in both personal and professional life by managing work-life balance and avoiding burnout, handling setbacks with resilience, seeking feedback and adapting to changing circumstances, and cultivating a culture of continuous improvement and growth. Individuals can unlock their full potential. Remember, growth and improvement are ongoing processes that require dedication and perseverance. By applying the strategies and principles discussed in this presentation, you can continue on your journey towards personal and professional fulfillment.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.